Here is the Dreame Robot Vacuum D9. Remove the protective films on the side of collision buffer and charging dock. Install the side brush until it clicks into place. Remove the protective film. Place the charging dock on level ground against a wall and connect to a power outlet. Make sure there is a distance of 0.5 meters or more on either side of the charging dock and more than 1.5 meters in front of it. Place the robot onto the charging dock to recharge. The robot will turn on automatically and charge. To prevent your robot from getting tangled or trapped, tidy up any loose cords, dishcloths, slippers, toys, etc.